So hello guys and welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can make a YouTube logo, a YouTube banner, both things for completely free. So make sure to watch this whole video to find out. So if you guys didn't watch my previous video, it was all about the best setting for your YouTube channel, and if you have not watched it, it's the pre-roll over here, so make sure to watch that video too. So let's get on to our topic, logo and banner. So let's get on to it. So now I'm on my desktop and let's simply show you how does it looks. So if you have not gone through these both things, then probably you're going to have your logo as a first letter of your channel name and your banner nothing appearing over here. Okay, so we're going to make these both things right now. So as you guys can see that this channel don't even have its logo and don't even have its banner. So we are going to design it right now. So first of all, head over to canva.com, link is in the description. And when you come into Canva, make sure that you have your account login. If you have not, make sure to make your account and sign up for Canva. When you have done that, simply search YouTube channel logo and hit enter. When you have done that, you're going to be having a lot of templates in front of you. Some of them might be free and some of them might be not. If you want to start from scratch or make your own one, simply click over here. But if you want to make it as soon as possible, then choose one of the templates and make them in less than 1 minute. So I'm going to choose this one and it's just loading. So now I'm going to first of all remove place because it's not related and I don't need that much mess. I'm going to replace Azan tech. I think that's pretty much good enough. So when you are done with your logo, just simply click on download, select the file type PNG and hit download, and that's it. You got your logo. It's just need replacing for this. So to do that, simply click on customize channel and wait for it to load. Now simply click on branding, locate picture section and click on upload and choose your logo that you just made. Add just this logo a little bit. Going to just adjust it up. I think that's pretty much good enough. Click on done, and I think that's pretty much good enough, not bad at all. Let's publish this up and see how does this look in our channel. Okay, change is published, go to channel and let's check it out. Okay, as you guys can see that we got our YouTube logo. Now it's time for our YouTube banner. So I'm going to close this up and go to Canva and simply search YouTube channel art, and as you guys can see, again many templates. So I'm just going to choose this one and simply first of all ungroup and write Azan tech, give it some effects. Left is already on, give it more, and write tech and tutorials. I think that's pretty good enough. Let's just decrease its size and let's just change this background because it is not related to our content. Go to elements and simply search background and choose the one of your liking. I'm going to choose this one. So now this is my background. This is not bad enough. So now let's just add some pics. I'm going to search tech, scroll down a little bit and come on. Okay, this one is pretty much good. Let's just decrease its size and I think rotate it a little bit. I think that's pretty much good enough. If you are done with all these things, simply click on download, file type as all is PNG and hit on download again. So when you have got your banner too, simply go to YouTube Studio, click on upload over here, and choose that banner that we just made. I think it's this one. Yeah, okay, yes, this is the one. I'm simply going to hit on done, and I think that's okay, it's done, and simply click on publish. So when your changes got published, simply review your channel up and let's see how does it look. So as you guys can see that we got our banner, we got our logo, and it looks pretty much fine. So if you guys find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.